Hey guys, Norm McGregor's on the Isles of Haida for our island adventure. Well, 2 months and the skies have finally opened up and the rain is coming down. Can you see on the roof of the solar greenhouse? Ooh, I've got a spider up my leg. Ooh. Hey guys, Norm McGregor on the Isles of Haida for our island adventure. Alright, after 2 months the skies have finally opened up and the rain is coming down. Well needed, I'll tell you this time. So, let's see what's happening with the rain barrels. Okay, it's really coming down now. You can see on the roof, it's just pelting. Pelting. Man, we need this rain. I just hope it doesn't cause some flooding now. Coming down really good. Okay, it's really coming down out there. You can see now here it's starting to puddle. Cool. Puddle. So let's go take a run and see what we can see. Ah! Oh, it's wet. Whoa. Oh yeah. It's gushing. Just pouring like that. Alright guys, let's go check out these rain barrels. Rain. Open the gate. The rain finally slowed down a little bit. And let's go see. I'm actually quite excited on this one. Ooh, let's look inside and look at that. That rain barrel. Ooh. He's less than a foot from the top. How nice is that? Now this one, which wasn't anywhere near as full. Okay, because he only had a little bit in the bottom, and now this guy is half full, more than half full. Alright, that is wonderful. Man, that's going to give me 3-4 weeks of, oh, that'll give me a month or more of water. That is awesome. Okay, so chicken religion. You wanted to see the exhaust vent on the outside of my greenhouse. Okay, there she is. It's a grill, and it's got mesh, plastic mesh inside to keep bugs and stuff out. And I've got that on the outside, and it's louvered to keep the rain out. Alright guys, this is Norm McGregor on the islands of Haida. Finally got some rain, and the rainwater system is working perfect. Okay guys, you have a great day. Enjoy.